The Art of Becoming a Millionaire Snitch, unveiling the secrets to 279 million US dollars. In a world driven by ambition and the desire for financial success, some unconventional paths to riches have emerged. Imagine being rewarded with a jaw-dropping 279 million US dollars by doing something as seemingly simple as being a little snitch. Yes, you heard it right. Being a whistleblower or informer can lead to an astonishing payday. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. However, before you embark on this unique journey, let's dive into the fascinating world of being a little snitch and how it can pave the way to an unimaginable wealth. The power of knowledge. Before we delve into the secrets of making millions, it is vital to understand the power of knowledge and information. In today's society, information is undoubtedly the most valuable asset. Corporations, governments, and individuals seek to acquire information to gain a competitive edge, protect their interests, or expose wrongdoings. Whistleblowing, a noble act. Whistleblowing is not a new concept. Throughout history, brave individuals have stood up against corruption, fraud, and unethical practices, often at great personal risk. Whistleblowers play a crucial role in maintaining transparency and accountability in various sectors such as finance, healthcare, and government. The rewarding path. The road to becoming a millionaire snitch can be daunting, but it starts with identifying unethical practices or criminal activities that deserve exposure. However, before you embark on this journey, it's important to remember that whistleblowing should be driven by a sense of justice and responsibility. The potential financial gain should never be the sole motivation. Legal protection. One might wonder if whistleblowing is worth the risk. Fortunately, many countries have enacted laws to protect whistleblowers from retaliation and offer them monetary rewards as an incentive. For instance, the United States has the False Claims Act and the Dodd-Frank Act, which grant financial compensation to individuals who expose fraud in government contracts or financial markets. Under these laws, whistleblowers can receive a percentage of the recovered funds, leading to substantial rewards. Anonymity and safety. Whistleblowing does not necessarily mean publicly revealing your identity. Many programs allow individuals to submit information anonymously, ensuring their safety while still playing a pivotal role in bringing justice to light. This anonymity protects whistleblowers from potential threats or repercussions, giving them the confidence to come forward with critical information. Becoming a millionaire by being a little snitch may sound like a fantastical notion, but it's a reality for many courageous individuals who have chosen to make a difference. Whistleblowing is not merely about financial gain, but it's a powerful means to fight corruption, protect the vulnerable, and promote transparency in our society. If you find yourself in possession of sensitive information about wrongdoing or malpractices, remember that the path to becoming a whistleblower is one of responsibility, integrity, and bravery. Stand up for what's right, and if your actions lead to financial rewards, consider it a positive outcome for your courage and determination. So, as you embark on your journey to make a difference, always keep in mind that it's not just about the money. It's about making the world a better place through the power of information and standing up for justice. Your decision is to be a little snitch might just be the turning point that leads to significant positive change, both for you and for society as a whole.